Hello everyone, welcome back to the coding part of this video. Yes, it's the final project fake news detection system. So for this project, we will be needing to import some libraries like the pandas as PD, import RE, NLTK, NLTK.download stopwords, NLTK.download wordnet. So from NLTK stem, import WordNet lematizer. From NLTK.corpus, import stopwords. From NLTK.featureextraction.tech, import TF-IDF vectorizer. Then from sklearn.featureextraction. Now from sklearn.utils, import shuffle. From sklearn.model selection, we're going to import the train test split. From sklearn.linear model, we're going to import the logistic regression. From sklearn.neighbors, we're going to import the k-neighbors classifier. From sklearn, we're going to import tree. Then from sklearn.ensemble, we're going to import the random forest classifier. So from sklearn.tree, we are going to import the decision tree classifier. Now from sklearn.metrics, import the accuracy score. Now same from sklearn.metrics, we're going to import the confusion matrix, and from sklearn import metrics. So these are all the libraries that we will be needing for now. Now let's move on to the next, which is going to be reading. So first of all, we're going to make two variables, which is going to be true and fake. So true is going to be equal to pd.read underscore csv, the link to the true, so the computer can read it. Fake is going to be the same, but the link is going to be different. Now we're going to go ahead and make variables like true target is equal to true and fake target is equal to fake. Now concat. What does concat mean? Concat probably means shuffling, like concatenation, just like that. So data is equal to pd.concat true and fake. Now we're going to go ahead and reset the index. So it's going to be true, so that's why we write in place true. Now data is equal to shuffle. Data is equal to reset index again, drop 2. So we shuffle the data and then we're again going to reset the index. Then we're going to drop date, title, and subject. Axis number 1 in place 2. Why do we need to drop them? Because they are not in our use. So if they are not in our use, then why are we keeping them? So it may not confuse it. That's why. Because if we keep them, they may confuse us to make the wrong variable or stuff, like that. Now we're gonna import, like basically we already imported the library. So now we're gonna get the variable. So wordnet is equal to wordnet lematizer. Lematizer is basically a function or a library which allows you to lematize words. Like if you want, you can print your name in letters just using lematizer. You can convert it into numerical data also. So that's how. So def clean underscore text is equal to text. So this is basically a function that we are making over here. Text is equal to read.sub, and then we're going to import in brackets. So inverted commas, then again square brackets, and then we're going to add the up sign, the up arrow, A to Z, and we're going to close the bracket and a comma. Then we're going to add another comma in the bracket and add inverted commas, like, and just one space, then comma and text. So this is basically what it does. It helps us in summarizing the text. Now text is equal to text.lower and split the text. Now we're going to go ahead and review. So review is basically a list you can. Now for I in text, if I not in stop words English, then we're gonna append wordnet lematize I. So if I is not in the stop words, English stop words, and we're gonna review and append the word net lemmatized I. So now we're gonna go ahead and review is equal to inverted commas with nothing inside and join review. Now we're gonna go ahead and return review. If you're wondering why didn't it basically load yet, well, because it won't actually give us the results set. Now we're gonna go ahead and import NLTK. So NLTK.download OMW.1.4. So this is basically a package to work on. Now we're going to go ahead and add data text is equal to data text apply clean text. What does this mean? It means to clean the text. So x is equal to data and text and y is going to be equal to data and target. So TF-IDF is going to be equal to TF-IDF vectorizer. Now we're going to command TF-IDF to fit and transform x so we can get better results. Now we're going to go ahead and import the train test split. So train test split is going to be equal to train underscore test, like x train, x test, y train, and y test is all equal to train test split, x and y, and the test size is going to be 0.2. So the next part is going to be in the next video. So stay tuned till then. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you then.